Today we are discussing about the web server log analysis Python take-home assessment. The overview of this project is we are analyzing a web server log file using Python with the goals of answering 10 specific business technical questions. Here we are using the regular expression for parsing log lines, pandas for data for structured data manipulations, and also date time for handling timestamps, collections.counters for frequency counting. Part 1, Data Loading and Cleaning. Open the raw axis log file and read every line into the memory. Each line represents one HTTP request containing host information, timestamp, request URL, response code, and byte size. This RTGS, this rejects pattern breaks down each log into different fields like a host, IP, or domain that made the request, date, time, timestamp of request, method, HTTP method get post, URL, requested resources, HTTP version, HTTP protocol version, status, HTTP status code, example 200, 404, size, bytes sends in response. Parsed data iterates through each line of log file, applies regex to parse structured fields. Only lines that match the expected format are processed, creates a list of dictionaries. You convert the parsed list of dictionaries into pandas data frames for easy querying, filtering, and analysis. Converts the string formatted data into an actual data time object. This is crucial for time-based analysis. Format used in Apache log style. Count of total records. Return length of DF counts the total number of log entries. Helps understanding the volume of web traffic. Count of unique host. Return df host dot n unique returns how many distinct IP addresses made request, useful for various diversity analysis. Date-wise unique frame counts extracts extracts the data from each timestamps, groups the date by date, and counts how many different files were requested. Show user diversity per day. Number of 404 response codes. Converts status to converts status to integer. Fill rows where status is equals to 404. Returns how many not found errors occurred. Helpful to track broken links. Top 15 file names were top 15 file names with 404 responses. Uses regex to extract URL and status again. Collects all URLs that resulted 404. User counters to count their frequency. Returns top 15 most frequency missing resources. Top 15 files extension with 404 responses. Extract file extensions like HTML, JPG, JS from URLs with 404 address. Showing what types of convert are missing helps identify which particular file type in prone to error. Total bandwidth transferred per day for the month of July 1995. Filters log lines of only from the 1995 July. Extract bytes transferred, groups and sums by data. Shows how much data was served daily. Useful for net planning. Hourly requested distribution. Extract hours 0 to 23 from timestamp. Counts number of requests per hour. Highlights peak usage times valuable for server load balancing. Top 10 most requested file names. Extract URLs and all valid log lines. Counts frequency to each file request. Return top 10 most frequently accessed files. HTTP response code distribution. Extract all status code from the logs. Count how many times each code appears. Example 200, 404, not found, 500 internal server error. Useful for monitoring site health.